I'll take it out. And this is skirt steak before it's clean and cut. Ready, just take a knife, cut a little piece off. And use your hand. Take off, that's the membrane. So you're not cutting it, you just grazing your knife on top of it. Just to get the excess fat off. There you go. Once again, skirt steak is a very, very tender piece of meat. Personally, my favorite because it tastes very easy to cook. Just a little comfy seasoning, that's all you really need. Once again, take the membrane off, clean it up, make sure it's very pretty. Take a little bit of the fat off. The fat will make this meat very juicy. Cut it in two. There you go, skirt steak. There you're gonna do another one. Get your knife, graze it right here. You can do this at home because it doesn't have a bone. So you just get your knife, graze right there. Throw that there. Hold on to membrane, peel it. Sometimes it comes off all of it, sometimes it doesn't. All depends on how close to the membrane you cut. Take it off. Skirt steak is very popular. Piece of meat, especially like Pollo Tropical and places like that, they love skirt steak. Personally, it's easy to cook. A little big, a little spam in a frying pan, or a little butter. Whatever you prefer, olive oil is always a good choice as well. And just cut it in half. There you go. And it's also good for like stir fry. It's good for stew meat, but preferably a lot of people use it for barbecue. So skirt steak chorizo. I mean, personally, I recommend it to a lot of people, and they always come back and say it's very, very tender. So can't go wrong with skirt. So once again, you're not cutting it, you're just barely pushing the knife on top of it. So that way you don't really damage the meat. And all the excess stuff that I'm pushing to the side, we're gonna use that to make like ground beef or hamburger, whatever we need at the moment.